Yeah, just wishing you a very good and restful, peaceful night, like Daisy is having. Rosie is asleep on the sofa, having deposited her toys in her bed. I think she thinks they're her little puppies. And Daisy is sleeping the sleep of the innocent. That's all animals do. Just to wish you a very, very good night yourself. Peaceful and restful. I hope that if you've got any pains and aches and troubles, that somehow or other you can get some kind of rest tonight from them. Have a smile at Daisy snoring. Have a peep at my skates there under there. Well, they're not mine, I never wore them. There's some antique skates. Well, mine are antique now. All sorts of bits and pieces that we have around us, don't we? Well, Andy Warhol made an 8-hour film of sleep. I don't think that we'll sit here for 8 hours watching Daisy, but it is a fascinating, it's fascinating, isn't it? Every now and again, you know, she'll twitch a foot or something. She's probably dreaming about something. And I can see some of my friends there watching with me. It's just good fun, isn't it? What a wonderful thing to be able to do, is share the snoring dog. Rosie is not snoring. She's too ladylike. Daisy's not. Just a good old snore. So I just wish you a very good night and every blessing. Oh yes, look, we've got some movement there. There's a twitch. Just me dreaming about chasing something. Yep, she twitched again. Wonderful. The minute she wakes up, she'll be wanting something to eat and to go out in the garden. Oh, I wish you a very, very good night for you and yours. And I think I've done my Andy Warhol sleep bit. He did actually sell tickets. People used to go to the cinema and watch somebody sleeping for 8 hours. Very existential. It was in the days when I was an art student. And I know a lot of people know that. We'll leave her to sleep now in peace. It's not fair really, is it? Because she doesn't know we're all staring at her. And of course, Daisy is now famous all over the world and down under. I can see, it tells me who's watching her. Althea and everybody, Edgar. There. I suppose I could sell tickets for this, you know. Have a little look at those skates under there. In this house, it's never very far from any pair of skates that you want to mention. Even my own old skates are hanging around here. Hi, Althea. Better go now. Leave Daisy to it. Everybody's asleep here except me. And it's nice to be awake with my friends. But I do wish you a good night, or a good day, Althea. Of course, Althea is the other side of the world, but comes from these parts, related to famous skaters. So, I wish all my bandy friends love and good night, and all my skating friends. Oh, Diana, talking about that. Dream of skating. Oh, yeah. I've been slaving over a hot computer all day here because I've just been putting the Liverpool Life magazine ready for the printers and writing backwards and forwards to people, editing stuff up, people send in. And in between time, I've been in touch with the Swedish Bandy Federation guy who's organising the accommodation for people going out to watch the World Championship in January, which hopefully does include me, all being well. It's all booked. But yeah, thanks Althea, and you Diana, everybody. It's mad, isn't it? We all sit here and stare at Daisy sleeping. Shame. She hasn't twitched much of late. Look, there's a skate repair shop just there. That says skates and sleds. See? That was a gift. And here, of course, we have loads of shells that my mother brought back with her from various parts. Wherever she went, she used to bring back rocks and shells. What people used to think of her, I don't know. And she got on a plane with all her belongings and all those shells and things. Yeah, we're looking forward, and I'm hoping, of course, that that Kathy will put my skates on and we'll go out on the ice. And that would be just something else. On my chair, of course. I can't stand up in skates anymore. Muscle and bone is wrecked. These anti-cancer drugs are a bit powerful. They wreck your muscle and bone. Never mind. Yeah. Well, I'll say good night to you all, and wish you a restful time of it. And so lovely to speak with you. Nighty night. God bless you. God bless. And of course, God bless your animals too. We'll leave Daisy to her dreams. Nighty night. Thanks, Diana.